Okay, so let's have number 2. So still we are following the working formula. Z is equals to x minus mu over rho. And we have here the problem. The monthly expenses of mushroom production is normally distributed within a mean of 1,500 and a standard deviation of 536. So we are to find the expenses at a z-score of 1.34 and the probability that the expenses will exceed 2,000 pesos. So first, okay, we are to find letter A. So in that case, we will just manipulate this equation just like earlier or in a previous example. X is equal to rho times z plus mu. And so we have our rho is 536 times our z is 1.34 plus the mean is 1,500. So what will be the expenses? So we have 536 times 1.34 plus 1,500 is equal to 2,218.24. So this is now the expenses at 1.34. So for letter B, what is the probability that the expenses will be greater than 2,000? So we will just use this to get the z-score. So z is equals to x minus mu over rho. Our z is equal to, our x is 2,000 minus 1,500 over 536. Z is equal to 0.93. Okay, so if you are going to find, since ang hinahanap dito is the probability, we're going to find the probability that the expenses will be greater than 2,000. The z value at 2,000 is 0.93. And if we are going to look at our z table, standard z table, this will be the z value. This is the area or the probability of the occurrence. So that's to the left. So meaning that is less than 2,000. So if you're going to find PR, probability at z greater than 0.93, so we are to find 1 minus, what is the z value at 0.93? Okay, so the z value at 0.93 is 0.82381. So why do we use 1 minus 0.82381? It's because we are going to find the probability that is greater than the 2,000. So ito yung hinahanap natin, this area. So we need to deduct the whole area, 1, probability area of 1, minus this area. So that's 1 minus 0.82381. So the probability of the expenses, which is greater than 2,000, will be equal to 1 minus 0.82381, and that is 0.17619, or that is equal to about 18%. So this is now our answer for letter A and for letter B.